Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix an issue with accessing Roblox. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to search for Roblox and open Roblox application, and here you can see an issue and team is working on that. So you simply need to go back, and here you need to click on this setting icon, and here you need to go into the app management and go into the app list and search for Roblox. Here you need to click on storage and cache, and the first step you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage, and then you need to allow all permissions from here. So once you done that, you simply need to go back, open Play Store and search for Roblox, and you need to update Roblox application. So once you done that, you simply need to turn off your smartphone and turn on again and log in into your account, and hopefully your issue will be resolved. But like this, let me show you my, here you can see my issue is still there. So you can see that the Roblox team is working on that, and that issue will be resolved in 12 to 24 hours. So you need to wait until the team fix this issue. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.